The BJP has fired anti-Sanatan and minority appeasers jibe at the Aam Aadmi Party over the Diwali and crackers controversy that has played out in the capital. The Delhi Chief Minister has now said that the Sanatani government is in Delhi now and that Diwali will be celebrated as it should be with full grandeur. Virendra Sachdeva as well, the party chief in Delhi, has said that the previous governments, due to minority politics and vote bank politics, used to block opportunities where the majority community could not celebrate their festivals openly. And he's also said that we have presented our case in the court and made a request to the court.
की दिवाली देश की राजधानी की दिवाली है और वो लगनी भी चाहिए, दिखनी भी चाहिए और महसूस भी होनी चाहिए। इसलिए जब एक सनातनी सरकार आती है तो उसकी भव्यता और दिव्यता अलग होती है। आज दिल्ली का युवा हो, बालक हो, महिला हो, बुजुर्ग हो, हर व्यक्ति खुश है। उसे लग रहा है, ये महसूस हो रहा है कि हाँ दिवाली है। ये सब कुछ वो पर्व हैं जो दिल्ली ने वर्षों तक मिस किए, परंतु अब नहीं।
दीपावली हमारी संस्कृति का एक अभिन्न अंग है और प्रभु श्री राम से जुड़ा ये त्यौहार हम सबके जीवन में खुशियाँ और उमंग लाता है। लेकिन दिल्ली की पुरानी सरकारों ने हमारे सनातन के त्योहारों को बाधित करने का काम किया, जानबूझकर उसमें रोलेट करने का काम किया। अब दिल्ली में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है तो हमारी मुख्यमंत्री उन सभी पुरानी परंपराओं को एक तरह से उनको जीवित करने का भी प्रयास करें और उसको उल्लास के साथ मनाने की कोशिश करें।
हर व्यक्ति को, हर सेक्शन को, हर धर्म को अपने अपने जो त्योहार है मनाने का बराबर का अवसर मिलना चाहिए, ऐसा हमने प्रयास किया है। सबको अवसर मिलना चाहिए। पिछली सरकारें अल्पसंख्यक राजनीति के चलते, वोट बैंक की राजनीति के चलते ऐसे अवसरों को खो देती थी जहां बहुसंख्यक समाज खुलकर अपने त्योहारों को मना पाए। हमने अपना पक्ष कोर्ट में रखा, कोर्ट को निवेदन किया, कोर्ट ने जिसे स्वीकार किया है। ये हमारी सरकार की, सनातन की, बहुसंख्यक समाज की एक तरीके से बात को स्वीकार्यता हुई।
My colleague Anushka joins us with more details. Anushka, now politics has played out over the Diwali celebrations in the capital, with the Delhi government in fact hitting out at the previous government, saying that the Aam Aadmi Party government was engaged in vote bank politics and did not allow for opportunities where festivals could be celebrated.
That's right. We are seeing ahead of Diwali, a whole lot of politics is in fact unfolding in the national capital, where the current Delhi BJP government has alleged that because they are the Sanatani government and they care about how people celebrate Diwali, they have in fact approached the Supreme Court so that it could allow the people of Delhi NCR so that they could in fact burn crackers during Diwali. We did see that the Aam Aadmi Party had in the past few years approached the Supreme Court, and we did see that because of the pollution problem in Delhi NCR, the Supreme Court had put a blanket ban on the burning of firecrackers. But now we are seeing that the Delhi government had approached the Supreme Court and had asked for a relief on that ban, and now we are seeing that people are allowed to in fact burn the firecrackers for 2 days in Diwali, and the government has in fact hit out at the previous government, saying that in fact, because they did not care about the people, they cared about just the vote banks, and that is why they did not care about how people in Delhi NCR were celebrating Diwali. Now, this is not the first time that we are seeing that an issue like this is in fact unfolding. We are seeing that the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta had very openly, very vocally advocated that the crackers should be in fact burnt in Delhi NCR, and all the cabinet echoed her thought in that, and they had all said that the crackers should be in fact allowed for a few days, and it is the government's responsibility that they take care about the pollution problem, and people should be allowed to celebrate Diwali in whichever way possible. Now we are seeing that the green crackers are allowed for 2 days during Diwali, and the Aam Aadmi Party, which was the previous government, has in fact, is being hit out by the BJP, saying that they did not care about the people enough to approach the Supreme Court and lift the blanket ban that the court had applied, so that the people of the Delhi NCR could burn the firecrackers during the auspicious day. Over to you.
Right, Anushka. Thank you for joining us and bringing us those details.